Hi, my name is Roger. After the pandemic, whole world has changed. People were stuck at home for a long time and it skyrocketed the internet usage all over the globe. It was the time when video conferencing, digital content creation, home delivery, and short video formats took over the world by a storm. Pandemic produced a lot of influencers who found a new way to build communities fast. Through short video content creation, TikTok was leading the game. Instagram followed the trend, and later YouTube jumped into the race. Now most of the content consumed by internet users is in form of blogs, ebooks, and short videos. Many influencers have generated a good revenue just by posting video content on these short video posting sites and apps. Seeing the success of this type of response from video content creation, almost everyone has thought to at least try this for once. Or you are the one who followed this trend and are already creating content. If yes, let us know in comments below. But video content creation is not everybody's cup of tea. Not everyone can dance, generate humor, or make a fool of themselves for some views which does not match their personality. So, what do you think? Why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Do you have sufficient knowledge to run a successful video channel? Do you think video creation is a part-time job where you will share anything and make some money on the way? Let us know why you want to start a YouTube channel when every information is already available in form of video articles and ebooks. Comment below. See you in next video with the answers. I am going to teach you how to optimize your brand and mindset for success. This is Roger from Stupid SEO, signing off for today. Don't forget to subscribe and push the ring icon to get all answers in next video.